పరమాత్మ సమారంభం ఋషిగణ మధ్యమం సద్గురు పర్యంతం వందే గురు పరంపరం ఆదేశ్ జై మహాకాల్.
Kidney beans. In Telugu, we can call it as a rajma. This is the most energical potential food. In this, lot of features is there. Mostly fiber, protein, magnesium, vitamin B1, potassium, complex carbohydrates, glycemic index, manganese, antioxidants, folic acid, iron. These all type of valuable things is available in the kidney beans. It has magnesium. So magnesium mostly utilized for our circulation system. So mostly in blood circulation. Then automatically control the high blood pressure and good for circulation in cardiac region also. It has potassium also. The potassium mostly working as a diuretic. So obviously decrease the swellings, internal inflammation, and good for lungs, kidney, heart, and pancreas also. It has fiber and complex carbohydrate. So both are very useful for control the cholesterol, then automatically avoiding the brain and heart strokes. So mostly our strokes basic major cause is only cholesterol. Then the kidney beans is good for this type of complaints also. Kidney beans has glycemic index also. This is glycemic index very low quantity only having the kidney beans. So it's a low quantity of glycemic index is good for control the diabetic. So once we control the diabetic, obviously diabetic related functions also, related complications also we can avoid, like retinopathy, cardiopathy, nephropathy. These type of all the complaints we can avoid. Kidney beans has vitamin B1 also. The vitamin B1 is very excellent results of improving the memory. So obviously our children also getting the more memory power also. At the same time vitamin B1 very excellent result for control Alzheimer and amnesia related complaints also. Kidney beans has manganese also. The manganese improves our metabolic rate. So after taking off our food, very fastly converted as the our food to energy. That energy very utilized for our body also. So these are the function done by the manganese only. That manganese is sufficient quantity of kidney beans. Kidney beans has antioxidants also. That antioxidants very useful of the improving our immunity. If you have sufficient immunity, then you can avoid lot of health complications. Kidney beans has protein also. For this protein point of view, our skin getting the more glowing. At the same time our protein also very useful for our our increasing the hair also. So either skin and hair point of view, the protein also very very important. At the same time, the protein also most energetic item in our body. So kidney beans is the best protein source of food in our regular life. This protein very useful for our children growth also. At the same time, proteins can avoid children's regular life health complications also, like a neonatal regular problems also we can be avoided by the taking of sufficient protein in the kidney beans. In the kidney beans has more fiber and less fat. So we can if you take the kidney beans, obviously our appetite will decrease. Then automatically we can decrease the our overweight also. Then we can become some lean and fit also. Kidney beans good for large intestine cancers like a colon cancer and migraine complaint also. These both complaints very effectively control by the taking of kidney beans. We can take the kidney beans under control of. If you take more and more kidney beans, obviously increase the gastric complaint also. This kidney beans when you are using time for avoiding the gastric before night the kidney beans keep it in the water, and that next day morning you can boil with ginger, dry ginger, jeera, asafoetida, these type of items you can add. Obviously we can avoid the gastric complaint. Kidney beans has magnesium, so the magnesium always clean the nervous, at the same time protect the nervous tissue, obviously good for cardiac zone. Kidney beans has folic acid and iron, this type of valuable content, so this is good for pregnant women also. This is the overview of the benefits of kidney beans or rajma. Thank you. Atma Namaskaram.